Okay, this is the irrigation. I have the shut off to the irrigation system shut off, and I'm about to turn on the water from the meter, which is out there, to the backflow. So this is what happens when water goes straight to the backflow. That's caused by some kind of leak inside the backflow. So when water is on to the backflow and the irrigation box, which is down here, the timer, watch what happens when I turn on the water to the timer. See that leak in there? It's filling up the water down there. That's a leak in the pipe. From here down to here is some kind of leak. So you see how it fills up down here with water from the inside out? That's your plumber. And this is the 4-inch I'm going to certify now.